Why do we do this to ourselves? Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. We are recreating iconic Lady Gaga looks because today is, I don't know.
I thought you were gonna say like National Lady Gaga Day, and I was like, it's not.
In my heart.
In your heart, it is.
Sunday, March 3rd, the day after my birthday.
Oh my God, I was just gonna say, your birthday is Saturday.
Yes, my birthday's March 2nd, so the podcast will be out March 3rd. We are doing a full Lady Gaga episode about like the best looks, her career, the music, the whole 9 yards, the gayest deep dive you will ever get in your life. So we're getting ready for that, and we're overambitious. As per usual. These videos never really do that well compared to other ones because these videos are really for the super fans.
This is like the deep dive video.
Totally. These are the ones that, the VIP fans. So thank you for watching. The majority of YouTube would rather watch like, I lit my sister's eyeshadow palette on fire. Like, well, it was tied to her hair. I am doing the skull makeup from Born This Way.
And I'm doing the Met Gala look.
It's done. I know for me, I'm starting her base with the skull makeup is a little bit more grayish. It's not really white. And skull makeup is not as difficult as you think. We were talking about it.
It's a lot of line work and it's a lot of like...
Totally.
You got to break it down like piece by piece because it's a lot of like drawing on the features that you can already feel. So it's like where your hollows are, you're just darkening those.
Yeah.
So it's not...
I am going to start with the REM foundation, the super light shade that we used in the Pat McGrath video. And this is cool. This is a loose powder from Indie Beat Cosmetics, and they're all colored powders. So I'm going to mix a little black to make this more gray. So I'm going to do that while Kevin gets started.
Yeah, I'm going to do some brows. So I'm going to use my Rare Beauty. And then I've been really into this Benefit, the brow micro filling pen, like the 3-prong kind of tip pen. I've been so into her.
Nice, so into voguing. I'm going to use the back of this palette as my mixing palette. So we have the gray base on. I love the way this is, like I said, because I'd rather start with the gray base so I'm not shading all the white. Because if you start with the black areas and then you want to highlight around them, you have to be super precise. So we're going to lay the highlights down first with white, and then I'm going to go in with the black. And then from there, it's really just line work and shading.
And then I'm going to go in. I just set my lids a little bit with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh powder to lay down a base. The eye makeup for this look was so simple. I'm literally going to take a little bit of the Trixie bronzer in the lighter shade here for Darling Daisy. Take a little bit of that in the crease and then use this. How do you say the spray name?
Glaminatrix.
Glaminatrix.
Which, guys...
Oh my God, this is so
I was
stunning.
influenced on Instagram. Their beauty page popped up and there's like single shimmers, if you will, but they are by far the most beautiful shimmery shimmers I've ever seen in my life. So I had to get the palette and it's stunning. I'll do a full short about it over on IG and TikTok. So stay tuned for that.
It's very, very light eyes. Wow. This is like so pretty. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Stunning.
Wow, wow, wow.
Alrighty, so you may have seen I switched in the middle. Kevin had a great idea because this was like shearing out a little bit too much. We switched to the Makeup Forever color stick in white. So that's what I was putting on to really get these highlights. We also noticed
our looks.
It matches. And I was saying this is the same as our Halloween, me doing Maleficent and you doing the meat dress. Like you were just waiting for me to keep like catching up and do the shading.
Yeah.
I am going to set all of this with translucent powder. This is the Anastasia because the rest of this can be eyeliners, pencil liners, and eyeshadow. So it's fine that this base is going to be like, I'm going to do that pretty heavy.
And I'm going to start doing my eyeliner. So this is with the Revlon liquid liner with the one where I switched the Sephora brush and the Revlon liner to get that high precision. So now I'm going to do, it's like a really big like graphic liner almost until like it comes into the crease very slightly. There's like rhinestones right above the liner. So I might do that after this, but we'll see.
Everybody's baking. Oh, sorry.
Oh my God.
You know what a brand needs to come out? You know who probably makes these is RCMA. Like I want big pans of colored powder.
Didn't, oh no, MAC had like chroma cakes. They were like you would pour like an activator or like water them down. And
like powder foundations, but I want yellow, gray.
Yeah, who?
Probably RCMA, if anybody.
Or like Mayron. Or
right?
like
because imagine right now,
Krylon.
like I would want to almost do a powder foundation, but like gray.
White. Or well,
and then white.
Give me a white.
Exactly. Yeah.
And we can't find your one size, which the one size one is like MIA.
Thank God I have my shivering white.
These have to go like in my crease.
Did you show them lashes?
No.
You want to wait? They're massive with the gold spikes from that look. So yeah.
I had to double up. So I put a base lash and then a real lash and then put that down because they were too heavy to hold on their own.
So I'm going to start mapping out my like dark abyss black, like around the eyes. I'm using the Trixie Cosmetics black eyeliner. Thank God this came out when it did because this is going to make things so much easier. Now I'm not going to cover my brow because I'm almost going to use my brow as the top border.
This is Uncle Fester.
Yeah, literally. This liner's amazing. It's so matte. It's so good. I am going to start doing the black on my nose, more shading. Doing makeup like this is just a whole hell of a lot of shading. But before I do that, I'm going to go in with my MAC Shivering White. I'm just going to use this to almost kind of reset and brighten up certain areas before I go in with the black.
Can I just have a whisper of mascara on?
Yeah, so you did put the stones on, right?
So I did put the rhinestones on. They were on like above like the liner, essentially like on the lash line, like right above the liner. But I went almost in like the little V of the graphic liner. I put them against that because I feel like once I have the lashes on, you're really not going to see
anything.
Any of this. I'm not joking how big these lashes are. I was just saying, I was like, I feel like I'm putting so much detail work into this and it's all going to be gone. So we shall see, but it's worth it. I know it's there.
Yeah, it's all that matters.
It's all that matters. I know that it's there. So I'm going to take the About Face and I'm going to take my Tarte Creamy Tarte Shape Tape Radiant because it's super hydrating, doesn't crease. This About This About Face foundation is so
I know.
amazing. I've been wearing it the past like few days even, and I love it. Every single time I put it on, it just looks so stunning. I don't think I can ever live without it again. It is so good. And not like a ton of coverage either.
It's like a healthy human amount, you know?
And like the texture and just like the finish of it is so beautiful.
Okay, so I'm doing the nose, so it comes up to 2 peaks. I've done skull makeup so many times in my life, and I don't know why, considering I'm the like shakiest person alive. But we always make it work, girl. God, like just look how opaque this eyeliner is. Girl, love.
Wow.
It's like
and it's
insane.
so matte.
It's so matte.
You could not set any of the blacks.
I'm not gonna. Yeah, like even it's barely maybe just a little bit on the eyes as you see there, but other than that, on the face, I'm not going to set the black. I'm just gonna use powder to shade and shadow. So Kevin's doing a sponsor.
I wasn't sure if you were gonna talk or So I'm just going in with the Trixie bronzer and Darling Daisy and just doing the normal. She had very simple face makeup on, which is kind of disappointing.
So like I said, I'm just taking a little bit of the Natasha Denona shadow and I'm just setting my eyelids here because that will probably be the most likely area to crease a little bit, even if you are wearing as good of a cream or a liner like this. And it just really makes it black, black, black.
And I'm just gonna dip into the blush binder from Crayon Case. This is one of my faves. Yeah, I think I'm gonna mix these 2 pinks in here. I'm gonna take this brighter pink and mix it with this bottom like peony pink.
Okay, now I am taking black powder and we are going to start doing the kind of inside furrow of the brow you always see on skull makeup.
And in a shocking turn of events, I'm not putting highlighter on.
What?
She had no highlighter. So I haven't even been doing highlighter when I do my makeup and I almost don't hate it. Kind of giving myself a little break from the glow. I'm so nervous to do this part of the liner at the bottom.
Oh, are you nervous to do the liner? Are you now?
Yeah, why? Yours is so easy.
How stressful.
Yeah, yours is so easy.
As I'm like,
why are you struggling? All right, so I did one eye off camera, so now I'm going to go back and do the other eye now and kind of explain what I was doing. So I'm going to take the Trixie white liner to start.
I'm still here in the corner crying.
Oh my God, you poor thing. You really do pick the most intricate looks
I know.
when we do these videos. I feel so bad.
I do love skull makeup. I've done skull makeup so many times in my life. It was always like my go-to Halloween costume.
Was it really?
Oh yeah, just like with a nice black hoodie. It was so, yeah.
I'm just doing that white liner all the way in the waterline. And I'm going to like drag it out. So on this side where it like lifts up and out.
Wow, that looks really cool on camera.
What?
Your liner.
Oh, I was like, Your face?
No, I just did her horns up here, which as you can tell, I sketched them out. And this is the thing, man. It's like time consuming just because it's detailed, but it's so simple. It's get your horns even. Black gets blended from here out, blown out. White gets blended here, out, blown out. And there you go. And you can see the difference of the white on the inside makes it pop and looks a little bit more raised. So now I'm doing the same thing here, along there, black, and blending it up.
I'm taking the Kimchi Chic, the FN liner, the liquid liner in white. This liner is so amazing. It doesn't crack. It's a brush tip, so I love this for the precision for the white. Almost in a straight line, like all the way up. So you can see it just like hugs the black liner. And then you're going to do another black line underneath that to almost contrast. So now I'm going to just let this dry and then go back in with the black. And then I added the gems underneath, and that's really it. And I'll see you in 3 years.
Yeah, no, really. So yeah, I'm going to keep sketching away. Where'd you get your gems?
Oh, I was in Michael's because you know they can't sell Swarovski crystals anymore. So I got these. They were like on clearance. It's like these little tiny little jars of gems. And then I got these like teardrop or like raindrop gems. Perfect. They're like crystal AB. So it's like multicolored. Hers were more silvery. I kind of wanted to add like a little bit of color, like whatever. You can't really tell. And they look so small. And it's so funny when I was putting them on, it almost like felt teeny tiny in my hands. And I go to put it underneath and it's like bulbous. But I feel like they're the perfect size. And I love how they read like more rainbow on camera.
Totally.
So I'm totally into that. So there was 3 under her eye. And I got these from Amazon. $5 for like a pack of like, I think there's like 100 gems, which is great.
All right. So honestly, you are just going to do the black under that white, finish your gems, and then your last step is your lashes and lip.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to sketch. Because if I walked you through this entire process, this would be a 3-hour video. We'll be back when I am a lot more done.
Woo! And we're back.
I'm back with Katya.
I had to put my wig on because the lashes I'm about to put on are too big, so I didn't want to like risk like getting the hair caught, ripping the lash out. What are you on right now?
I'm pretty much done. I'm just taking a little bit more of my MAC Shivering White on a like super detailed brush as I've been doing.
Yeah.
And I'm just kind of adding a little bit more highlight to certain white areas just to make it pop. Oh, you haven't showed the people.
I haven't shown the people yet. So I want perspective. There is Patrick Starr, one size, used to make lashes that were like larger than life. Those are my base lashes.
Oh my God.
So quite literally, these are going to take up, just like her, my whole eye. I actually think mine are longer on top than hers were. Like I had these super long and I like looked at photos and I was like, these lashes that I'm making were up to my hairline, like up here.
Yeah.
Like the pieces of paper were like so big and I'm like, in my head, I just like thought they were so much bigger.
Yeah.
Girl, I'm nervous.
Girl, how old are you? I'm getting nervous.
The last time I had paper lashes and everything, like a lot of drag queens do this. They use like weave bond from like Sally Beauty to like bond their lashes to their eye. I just didn't want to do that because, girl.
Yeah. We getting paid enough. At all. Yeah.
Who's sponsoring this video? Nobody. All right, girl. I'm nervous.
Yeah, where are you even going to stick it?
Well, I'll tell you where I'll stick it, little bubble.
Try what Trixie always says. She holds it down and then like to get a better idea of like where it's going.
Oh my God. Well. Oh no. Oh no, mama. It shut my eye like the baby dolls. You know the dolls that close their eyes when they lay down?
Yes.
Me right now.
Oh no.
Oh no. C-spot, run, girl. I just ruined this eye makeup.
Oh my God.
I can't.
Oh no.
I can't do a whole podcast like that.
I know. Oh no, girl. Oh no.
It's all right. What's the fix here? What's the solve?
Can you pull the paper off of the lash without ruining the paper?
Yeah.
Hi. Okay. So, well, really do look scary on camera when you're looking down.
Yeah.
Yeah, girl.
Ooh, honey, that's spooky.
Oh, that's spooky. Open those eyes.
Wait. Hi, guys.
I was so nervous the heaviness of your bottom lash was going to make you like saw, like pulling your eyes open. Well, guys, we slightly just fast forwarded to the end because let me tell you, nobody goes as extra and as hard as we do. So this was a lot.
Girl, it's February.
It's Monday.
It is currently 8:30 at night.
And we still have to record the podcast. So,
but it's like, what? We're 8:30 on a February evening.
I know, girl.
And this is what we're doing.
I know. But you know what? I hope you gathered some information from this. If not, it was just fun to watch what we could record. Because like I said, this would have been a 1,000,000-year-long video if we gave you every step of the process. But we'll probably break down more of the makeup and more of this whole situation on the pod. So make sure you check that episode out. If you're watching it the day this premieres, it comes out Sunday. If you're watching it after that, it's out already. Go check. It's linked somewhere right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. We have new videos every single week. Make sure to subscribe to the podcast channel. New episodes on YouTube every Sunday, streaming everywhere Monday. Wherever you are, we hope you are happy, safe, and healthy. And remember,
you are beautiful.
I forgot I had to say that.
I'm so beautiful. I'm
Bye.
so beautiful. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.